How to create a form in Monday.com. You can do this in 7 simple steps. 1. Open your board. Go to the Monday.com board where you want to create a form. 2. Click on Views. In the top right corner, click Add View and select Forms. 3. Customize your form. Add columns like name, email, task details, or priority to collect necessary information. 4. Enable required fields. Click on a field and toggle required to ensure users don't skip important details. 5. Share the form. Click Share Form, then copy the link or embed it on a website for easy access. 6. Enable auto responses. Use automations to send confirmation emails or assign tasks when a form is submitted. 7. Test and save. Submit a test entry, check that it appears in your board, and adjust settings if needed.